Welcome back to the Power Electronics lecture series. In this session, I am going to do one program on computation of the peak current and peak current of a single phase dual converter. In the previous session, I have discussed the operation of single phase dual converter. As you can see, there is one numerical example. So I am going to write the MATLAB code for this particular numerical example. So we have a dual converter and the operating voltage is given and the supply frequency is also provided and the load parameters such as load resistance equal to 10 ohm and you are supposed to calculate the value of peak circulating current and the peak current of first converter. Here they provided that the circulating inductance that is LR equal to 40 millihenry and the delay angles are alpha 1 equal to 60 degree and alpha 2 is equal to 130 degree. So these are the two parameters. Number one, peak circulating current and number two, peak current of a converter. These are the things which we are going to convert. I'll be telling you the idea. First of all, you have to write the input parameters. Later on, the angle you are supposed to convert degree into radian. Okay, thereafter you have to apply the formula. Then directly you will be getting the answer. That is a very simple algorithm I can say. First of all, I'll be writing the parameter which they are going to give. So let me directly move on to the MATLAB. Okay, so I'll be taking you the MATLAB I just opened the MATLAB already. So we can see like editor file. This is our editor file. If you are not getting the editor file directly, what you can do is you can just type like edit. Okay, edit. Then you can use the enter key. Then like editor file will be appeared. So now what you can do is you can type the program. Okay, I have already done the program. Let me type the program. Yes, I have typed the program. So first of all, you have to determine the parameters. So Vs, F, R, LR, alpha 1, alpha 2, all are called variables, which is already assigned in the numerical example. Second step is you need to convert the given degree into radian. So now I am going to convert each that alpha 1 and the alpha 2 in the form of radian that I converted. That is the second step. Third step is you need to calculate omega, angular frequency. That is nothing but 2 pi into supply frequency, 2 pi f. So using like, let me call a name called omega, 2 star pi star f. Star is an operator that represents multiplication. Next is to calculate the RMS value. So you know that VRMS equal to VM by root 2. Therefore, VM is equal to VRMS into root 2. Same fashion I am going to apply here. Here, how to write the root? I can use the command called SQRT. Star is nothing but multiplication. Next, there is a formula to compute the peak current. You can directly use. Okay. Similarly, peak current of converter 1 you can calculate like a VSM into cos alpha 1 divided by R plus IC peak. In order to print the output, you need to use F printf because the code which is adopted here, that is compiler C. F printf is nothing but whatever the value you are getting, that will be displayed. So here that is called a string formatting. Here you can see the percentage dot 2f. That means spacing and all it is going to adjust. IC peak, the value will be printed. I1 peak, whatever the value which I obtain, that will be printed. So these are the IC peak and I1 peak that I need to compute. First of all, let me save the program. So I am going to save the program into desktop only. So PG1 I am going to save. Let me save the desktop. You need to provide the path later on. Whenever you are running the program, let me run the program. At that time, you need to give the path. I would like to give the add path. Now you can see the result. The peak circulating current IC equal to 5.63 ampere. Peak current of a converter 1 is equal to 96.963.41 ampere. So this is the simple calculation of single phase dual converter using MATLAB Simulink. Sorry, MATLAB editor file. You can say it's not Simulink. We are use only the coding, right? If it is like a graph animation or using the like a different type of blocks, then it becomes like a Simulink model. Right now we haven't done any Simulink. We just use the editor file and then the coding. Let me know if you have any further questions related to the single phase dual converter. I'm happy to answer back. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day. Thank you so much.